Class 10th Geography, Chapter Climate of India, Part 5. The cold season or the season of the northeast monsoon from December to March. The cold weather season commences at the end of November and continues till March. Clear sky, pleasant weather, low temperature and humidity, high range of temperature and slow northern winds are the chief characteristics of this season. This is the season when northeast monsoon takes over from the southwest monsoon. Unlike the southwest monsoon, the onset of the northeast monsoon is not so clearly defined. A characteristic feature of the cold weather season is the inflow of western disturbances originating from the Mediterranean Sea. The frequency of these distributions is 4 to 6 per month between December and January. Winter rainfall is caused by the depressions that are associated with the western disturbances moving out from the Mediterranean Sea. They give up to 10 to 15 centimeters rainfall to Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand and western Uttar Pradesh as they proceed eastward, causing cold wave and snowfall in surrounding regions around western Himalayas. The rabi crops wheat in northwest India and rice in Tamil Nadu depend on winter rainfall. Hence, it is of great economic importance affecting the production of these crops. The cold weather season in the country is generally marked by fine cool weather, low humidity and large variation in the range of temperature. Annual distribution of rainfall. The following three factors determines the distribution of rainfall in India. The direction of the moisture-laden winds, the relief features that is Himalayas in the north, northeast and western Ghats in the west. The passage followed by cyclonic depressions, which is determined by existing low pressure and high pressure conditions on the land. During summer and winter, over 70% of the annual rainfall over India is recorded during the rainy season by southwest monsoon. The western side of the western Ghats receive heavy rainfall, whereas the leeward side receives much less. Eastern coastal receives less rainfall as compared to the western by the southwest monsoon, but has a large number of rainy days because of winter rainfall by northeast and retreating monsoons. Mawsynram in Meghalaya, in northeast India on the windward side of Khasi Hills, receives the highest rainfall in the world, whereas Shillong on the leeward side of Khasi Hills receives much less. On the whole, annual rainfall decreases towards north and westward in northern parts of the subcontinent, and over peninsular India, the rainfall decreases towards the interior. Here ends this chapter.